All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to be going over pricing and exactly how to set pricing for a property, right? So we're just going to click a random property right now. We're going to go into here. We're going to go into where this says pricing. The base price per night is set by going on Airbnb and finding your property on Airbnb. Right, so this property in particular, we're just doing for one of our students right now, is a 3-bedroom. It's a 3.5 bath, and we can fit, I'm pretty sure, around 12 guests. So occupancy is going to be 62%. ADR is going to be 365. I'm going to overshoot that because I know in the back of my head we're going to be dynamically pricing and reducing the ADR through dynamically pricing. So I'm just going to shoot that up to like 400 a night base. I'm going to save that. So by default, all the price is going to be set to 400. I don't like smart pricing. I'm going to add a custom weekend price for 450. Okay. Now notice what we do here. Right, we're going to go to more discounts. We are going to go to the weekly discounts. Right, the weekly we're going to be setting for. Let's see here. We're going to be setting the weekly. So what you want to do is monthly discounts. I always put, and I set for around 35%. Weekly, what I'll do for a 7-day is 15%. Then I'll go down to more discounts, trip length discounts I'll add. And I'll do 6-night to be 12. I'll add another one for 5-night to be 10. 4-night, 8. If someone books for 3 nights, they get 6%. This is going to incentivize people to book for more nights. If someone books for 2 nights, 4%. Cool. So now that's all saved. I'm going to go out of here. Cleaning fees. Right, for this house, the way to find how much cleaning fees are going to be is you're just going to go to other listings in the area. I went to South Chavez, Caesar. You're going to sort out by properties that are comparable to yours. So 3-bedroom houses. These are how you find comps. All right. The nearest one I got to this one is right here. So I'm going to click on this. This is also a townhouse, so it's pretty big. This one is charging $180 as a cleaning. This one is charging $250. Let's click on this one here, charging $165. For a 3-bedroom, 3-level townhouse, I would charge $250. Save that. Obviously, I'm going to try to find a cleaner that does a lot lower on cleaning so that I can make money on that. I'll do a $50 pet stay. Everything else is going to be $0 here. Okay, we're out of here. Then we go to availability. This is super, super important. Same day notice. Super important, guys. You need to have this on. This is going to allow people to book same day for your property. Advance notice, I would go all the way up to like the time that you fall asleep, right? 11 p.m. Preparation time, none. Available window in advance, 12 months. Boom. That's it. That is freaking it, guys. Custom trip length, nope. That is how you set pricing. Now, this can all also be synchronized to hospitable.com and Price Labs. If you're doing multiple listings on multiple platforms, I would synchronize all of this to Price Labs.
And as always, I hope that video helped you guys out. I want to also include another video in the description below of a simple technique that I've also used to increase occupancy through guest extensions. Okay, so if you're struggling with occupancy on your property or even want to just increase the current occupancy that you have, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm able to keep my occupancy at 85 to 98% on all of my properties through this one hack that I will be showing you guys. I'm going to put a free link for that in the description down below, so make sure you watch that video. And as always, guys, if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, or any other videos that you guys want to see me make, drop that in the comments and I'll help you guys out. If you are interested in working with me one-on-one, I am taking on a few more students to hands-on work with. That's going to be a little bit more exclusive, so you guys can apply there and use that free link down there below to book a call with my team, see if it's a good fit, and apply. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.